Hi my friends, let's model the part number 86 console bearing from my collection of 100 parts. The picture of this piece is this, so we have to see double sloping of faces, which is a problem. The drawing shows us, you see, this angle and also these two angles. Let's start by creating this contour and then the other to be intersected with this one. Intersected, not joined, not cut. Let's start. Dimensions are here, 65, and the angle is 8 plus 8, 16, together with the interior. We use the plane, turn it, and then a triangle, this one, okay, these two sides are equal, trim the unpleasant end, and again equal these two. Good. The midpoint is over this. The dimension is 65. And now we draw some other lines here parallel to the other as possible. Parallel, parallel. The same horizontal of this or this point with this one. Good. This is 6. This is also 6 because this is symmetrical due to this coincidence. And this is 8. This is 8 multiplied by 2. Good. Finish sketch. F6. The extrusion must be very high. I create an extrusion with 135 plus this radius 32 to cover everything here. Yes, 135 plus 32. Extrude this frame 135 plus 32. Okay, this is the first volume. The next is based on a construction, and you see here 135, 150, and radius 32. You see also this line 100, 45 degrees, 22, 60, this line. The plane is XY, F7, circle, radius 32, 135, 150. Okay, line, tangent, yes, tangent, $100 here, up 22, and somewhere to the circle, but on the circle, you see these points show connection. The angle of 45 and the angle of 60. Trim out, finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, cut, not cut, intersect all the way. Okay, we have 2, 3 walls. Yes, we have 3 walls. Let's continue with creating these 2 walls, 1 and 2. The same plane, F7, and then you see this is existing plane. We project to have it enhance. Line from here to the circle, from the circle somewhere, and vertical. Not vertical, but now is vertical. Let's make it parallel. 8 is here, also 8, and also 8. I have to close this and this, and I create arcs. Let me use this solution from point to point, and the third is on the existing arc, ends and point. This is construction line, and this is also construction line. F6, finish sketch, extrude, this area and this area. I select planes, yes, from 2. The first sketch plane is this one, and 2 is this one. So we have everything connected. Now we have to create this semi-cylinder. The first is this one with a length of 36. Yes, this we have, and this is 15. Let's create this plane. We project as construction this arc, and then we use center arc to create an arc of 180. The other one is 15. Starting from here, 15. To this end. This line to be not construction, this one the same. We can use them very well. Why not? Extend this arc. Yes, and now we know that they are connected, and split these two, but it is loosed. You see, they must be collinear, all of them. Good. We make this construction, and we have the profile. Extrude, symmetrical, 36. Okay. The other half of cylinder is this, with a radius of 25 and a length of 46. We create a new sketch in this plane. Project this geometry and create a center arc between these two lines. Radius is 25. We draw two lines to close contour, finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, 46. Next we apply some fillets because we can see them. 5, 5, 5, 15, 7, 18, 10. Let's create. This is 7. This is 10. Excuse me. This is another 18. Another is 15. Another is 7 plus another is 5, and also 5 are these two interior. Okay. Now, as you can see, there are two windows. Yes, dimensions are here, and let's create. So we use that plane, which is XY, F7, to create this windows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dimension, they are parallel with the lines. Let project that lines parallel, this to this, this to this, cancel, they are parallel. So I have to delete the constraint and to apply my parallelism. 46 is this. 46. This must be perpendicular on this line, so I select it, I delete the constraint and I apply my perpendicular. I project this arc to have a point and I place dimension of 65. Good. Dimensions between these two is 21 and the other also 21. Good. They are filleted on all corners with 5, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Finish sketch. Extrude, cut, symmetrical all the way. Okay, you see the windows. Now base plate, which is in this 104, 100, a trapeze, radius of 10, but they are not continuing in the middle. Yes, these lines shows us where is the limit. We can limit here, of course. Okay, let's create this construction. The plane is this. We project some lines. This one. This one. And now we apply F7. Yes. These two are parallel. And these two same. The point, this point is coincident with this, and also collinear are these two, 1, 2. Good. We apply the distance of 104 to this line, 104. Yes. And then fillets of 10. 10 is already selected. Symmetrical. Okay. Finish sketch. Extrude this area and this area. Yes. On 10. Okay. F6. This is hollow inside. Yes. As I mentioned before. Now there are some bosses. You see them here with holes. Their dimensions are 15 with 30, radius 10, distances, you have the drawing here, and the extrusion is 15 minus 10, because we start from this face, not from the bottom. We can start from the bottom, no problem. So we create two of them and then we mirror. F7, lines, arc and tangent line, line, tangent, tangent, and also these lines to have close contours. We draw a construction line between these two midpoints and another construction line from the midpoint to this. Enough. But this must be not construction but center line. You will see why. Okay. Dimensions. This is 15. And the hole is 30. Radius is 10. To both, and parallel this line with this line, this with this. Okay. Distances from here to the pseudo diameter is 76. And the other also pseudo diameter is 58. The distance here is 18 and between them is 64 from this arc to this arc. 64. They are completely defined. Finish sketch, extrude, 1, 2, 15 minus 10. Now we look at the holes, 10, and the radius of 2 here. You have to see also this radius, which is also 2. Let's apply this dimension. radius f2. Okay. Let me place it nice, because I save the new drawing, the modification in the drawing. Hole, then through, simple, everything is already prepared here. So this is the face, center, plus, face, center, plus, not any other. And now we apply radius 2, here, here, mirror, extrusion, holes and fillet above the plane XY. Okay, there is another fillet here, which is on the whole edge of 2. So I select one edge and the other 3 edges to apply this final fillets. The material is steel cast. Steel cast is the general aspect, and some faces must be machined. Okay, still polished. Data, eye properties, physical, update, 2 kilograms and 200 grams. That's all for the moment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.